Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about the transactions in your ePayPolicy dashboard. If you have more than one payment page with us, you can choose to review transactions of specific accounts in the Accounts tab. To go over any data for a specific account, make sure to use the menu on the right. To go over transactions for all accounts, use the menu on the left. If you only have one payment page, both menu options will show the same data. Transactions will update each time a payment is made on your page. To dig deeper into a transaction, click on the transaction number. This is also where you would go to void or refund a payment. You can search transactions based on a variety of factors at the top. Input any filters and click Search. Click on Download Transactions to get a report for the transactions that match up with the filters you placed. When multiple transactions settle on the same day, we'll bundle those transactions together and make a single deposit into your bank account to make reconciling a breeze. We hope this was helpful. If you want to dig deeper in any topics discussed in this video, please visit help.epaypolicy.com.